Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to reset the text size in the WhatsApp app on your PC using a handy keyboard shortcut. If you've been adjusting text sizes and want to return to the default setting, this method will save you time. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat where you want to reset the text size. This can be any conversation. Just click on it to open. Now, here's the magic step. Press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard. That's it. This shortcut instantly resets the text size back to its default setting. You'll notice the change immediately, making it easier to read messages in their original format. This feature is part of WhatsApp's latest update aimed at improving user experience by offering quick text customization options. Whether you've increased or decreased the font size previously, this shortcut ensures you can always return to the standard view with just a simple key combination. So, give it a try. Open WhatsApp, select a chat, and press Ctrl+0 to reset your text size effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need this tip too. Thanks for tuning in.